You would need an education lawyer if you have a dispute with your local school district concerning a variety of reasons. How your student, your child, is being disciplined, graded. If there's a special education situation, then we certainly would want to be able to help you get what you're entitled to receive in the way of special education services. There's also issues of discrimination that sometimes come up, even when there's not a special ed child. Your child is entitled under our federal law to be treated as all other children are treated. So even if they don't qualify as being classified for special education, they're entitled to protection so as to afford them the same rights as other students. So if they takes them longer to do tests, we call it 504 accommodations is what we call it. But any issue that your student, your child may be having at school is arguably something you should talk with a lawyer about. There are various remedies available, and in every situation, a school district must act reasonably. The general standard is if a school district takes any action or fails to take any action which is, quote, arbitrary and capricious, not based upon reason, then the parent has a legal right to be heard in that situation. Sometimes children are deprived the right to graduate because of a discipline issue. Is that reasonable? Is that related to what actually occurred? A parent is entitled to be heard on that issue. And generally speaking, they're well advised to go to the Board of Education if they have a dispute with a teacher or principal. And if they're still not happy, then they need to go further and file a petition with the Commissioner of Education. We have a great deal of experience in dealing with education matters. I've been practicing education law for close to 30 years now, and I would welcome the opportunity to help any parent who has any situation involving their school district to see what their legal rights are. And I might tell them they don't have any legal rights, that the school district's acted entirely appropriately, but they need to get an honest answer from an honest lawyer and proceed accordingly. So I hope they consider using us here at Davis Mendelson if they have any issues of and concerning their children with their local school district.